welcome back to my channel. My name is Sasha Talia. If you're new here, welcome. I am so happy that you found my channel. Today's video is going to be all about the skin. Today we're using the e.l.f. Halo Glow and how products layer on top of the e.l.f. Halo Glow. So this is the ultimate review, the ultimate test to see, do we like it, do we hate it? And this is going to be your end result. So if you're interested, if you're intrigued, then keep on watching, girlies. So let's go ahead and apply the e.l.f. Halo Glow. The shade I have is 2.5, and I really like the glowiness that it gives my skin. Okay, so I'm going to use a sponge to blend this on out, and you can already tell the amount of glowiness it gives your skin. Next, I'm going to go in with my House of Labs foundation, and the shade I have is C43. And actually, I think I'm almost out of this one, so I'm going to have to pick another one up.
All right,
love you.
Love you.
Also going to use a sponge to blend out this foundation. The coverage on this is medium to buildable, and I really like this because it just gives a beautiful glow as well to the skin. It does have some skincare ingredients as well in it, so that is always nice. And then you can tell I had redness before, and so now the redness is pretty much gone. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Harmony from LYS. And I really like this color. I do want to try the lighter shade from there because I think it has more of a bronzy tone to this. This one's more of a like contour shade, but it is really nice, easy to blend. And if you're doing a nose contour, you can do it very precise. So I definitely will recommend this, and it's only, I think it's only like 20 bucks. So not too bad for like a contour. I know some contour, like some other brands are like around the $40 range, but I think for $20, that's not too bad. And then I always try to blend up. That way you don't have the contour all the way down here. It kind of just stays in this area. You looking for something? Did you grab your CAC?
I'm looking for my wallet.
Oh. What did you wear yesterday? You went out yesterday or?
I don't know.
Maybe it's on the couch because that's where your CAC was.
Yeah, it might be. You wanna know why?
What?
I was looking for my wallet and it was in my hand.
Okay, you grabbed your CAC?
Yeah, that was also in my hand. Because I had it in the hat. So I didn't know where's my wallet at?
Are you turning it to me?
I put my hat down, I'm looking, and it was like, oh, there it is.
Wow.
So it must have been in my hand this whole time.
Good job, babe.
Love y'all.
Love you too. So I'm absolutely loving this contour on my nose. Normally I'm like rushing through it, but today I'm taking my time. What I like to do, if you don't have like if you don't have a brush for your nose contour, like a smaller one, what I like to do is just grab my brush and kind of pinch it, and then I just go in with it. Next, we're gonna do some cream blush, and this is from e.l.f. and this shade is Peach Perfect. And I'm gonna just do this with a sponge. I'm gonna go ahead and just blend that on out. Now, if you use a brush, it's gonna be definitely more opaque, but this blends out so quick. And I really like the shade of it, the tone of it. Next, I'm gonna go in with Tower 28, and the shade that says on here is CC. I really enjoy their packaging. I like the hint of purple that it has on there. And I'm just gonna apply like a small amount. Hopefully I'm okay like in frame with y'all doing this video. I still need to get a new stand. Because ever since I've been using my light and stuff, it starts going down because it's kind of heavy, and I've had this stand for a while, so I guess it's time for a new one because it's kind of irritating. So now we're just gonna go in. You can wait to blend the concealer. That way it can set longer and have that more in place. But I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this away. And what I did here is created a line with my concealer. That way I can have a sharper, like kind of where I put my baby wing at, it can be more crisp. Okay, next I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna set my face. I'm gonna go in with Huda Beauty, the Easy Bake Peach Pie. I am gonna go in with a brush. Normally I go in with a sponge, but I think I'm gonna try it with a brush and see how that works. And I'm just lightly gonna set it. So if you have oily skin, this is definitely going to set and help out with the oiliness. And if you put too much powder, you can always just hold the end of your brush and just flick up to get that excess off. Okay, now that that part is set, you can go ahead and set your whole face, but I do like the glowiness that my skin gives, so I don't mind not setting my entire face sometimes. Sometimes I will, but today I don't really feel like setting everything. I'm gonna go in with my MAC Give Me Sun bronzer, and I need a different mirror. And I'm just gonna go ahead and tap this where I want the bronzer to be at. For blush, I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Blush and Glow Glide Palette. This is the fair to medium shade right here. And I like to use like one of these brushes that's more wispy. And I like to apply this to the brush. It picks up a lot. Get that excess off. You can put it on your hand as well. And then I also like to just tap this on my skin. Last set that I like to do is set my face, and I love the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. One, I love the packaging. Packaging with hers, you just can't go wrong. It's so beautiful. But I also love the quality of this. It's really, really good to set your face. And also I feel like it gives like a glow to the skin as well. But this is what the skin is looking like so far. And then if you need to clean up too, you can go in with a brush and the Huda Beauty powder to kind of cut and make it more sharp as well. But I'm gonna leave mine as is. Okay, and I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'll be back with my lips and stuff already done. Okay, girlies, so this is how my makeup is looking right now. I absolutely love how it came out. I love using the e.l.f. Halo Glow. This is my first time using it under my foundation. And so applying all those products on top of it, I feel like it layered beautifully. And I just really love the glow that is like coming through and just like showing out and stuff. I think it looks very pretty. If you're more on the oily side, go ahead and set your face where you would naturally, you know, get your oils and stuff. That way it's not too much for your skin. But if you have normal to dry skin, you're gonna absolutely love this. I really like how everything came out. If you did too, be sure to give it a like. Comment down below, have you used these items? What items do you like? And what other items you think I should try out? And also be sure to subscribe to my channel. We are a growing family here. And if you love shopping, hauls, all those things, makeup, beauty, fashion, I'm that type of girly right there. And if you love all those things, this is the channel for you. So definitely subscribe, girls. Let me know what other content you want to see. I know they always say like you're supposed to stick to like a niche when you're content creating and stuff. That way you can like build faster or whatever the case may be. But I feel like we can all have different types of niches. Like you're not just good at one thing. I feel like you can be into whatever you like. So that's why I feel like I'm just continuing to make my type of videos. So I love going to the stores and seeing what's new. I love playing around in makeup because that's always been a thing for me growing up as a little girl, always into my mom's makeup and stuff. And here I am still playing with makeup. So I absolutely love that. I love fashion too. The only thing I will say, hair is not my forte, but I will definitely give y'all a video on trying to see what works and what doesn't work on my hair, because sometimes it can be fun, but it is like on my lower, like on the bottom of my list of the things that I'd like to do. But I like when something comes out nice and stuff. I have so many videos for y'all, so I hope you enjoy my content. If you do, like, comment, and subscribe, girlies, and I will see you on the next video.
Cause I don't want the simple life. It's the fine things I like. I want my champagne all night with you.